Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to upload assignments when you need to add more than just the original document for your assignment. So I'm in a classroom, I'm kind of in my own classroom. So I'm a student right now though, so I see this assignment and I need to create a game. So I'm going to go to view assignment and I'm told that I can add to create files for my work and then I'll mark it as done. So in the directions, it says that I need to upload 3 different things. So I'm going to upload 3 additional documents. So sometimes if there's already a document here that's been created, a copy for you, that would already be here, but sometimes you need to add additional things. And instead of just sharing it with your teacher, which just clogs up my shared with me folder and I have to go digging for it, when you add it to this box right here, it automatically adds it to your own folder on my end, which makes it super helpful and easier to grade. And that way I'm not losing things. So I'm going to go to add or create, and I actually have these files over here, my directions, my answer key, my board. So I'm going to go to file, and I actually can just drag it over, which is nice. So I'll drag it. Let's see. I'll drag it and I'll drag it. All right, and then I'll hit upload. And now I'll double check I've uploaded everything that I need to do and I can turn it in. If you have anything that you need to make a comment to your teacher about, like this is the person I worked with on this project, if it was a partner or a group thing, that's super helpful so I know you've turned it in for the both of you or your whole group and I don't need to go waiting for the other people. Or I'm not quite done yet, I need more time. Just any notes that you need to give to me, or if you're just completely done, then you're good to go. You'll hit turn in. It's just verifying all 3 things that you're turning in to your teacher. You'll hit turn in and boom. If you realize you probably uploaded the wrong document or something weird happened, you can just hit add submit. But other than that, you are good. And boom, now it says that you've turned it in, so you're all set. So I just wanted to clarify that because a lot of times students will just share their documents with me, and let's see if I can show you guys what that looks like. So this is my shared with me folder, and it's just huge and has a million things going on in it. So if you guys can keep it a little bit more organized to upload it to your own specific assignment, it just keeps things a little bit more organized on my end, and I appreciate it. All right, thanks guys.